Dell has announced a slew of updates to its business laptops, including a new 15-inch Precision 5530, which is essentially a professional, business-oriented version of the XPS 15. Like the XPS 15, the new Precision 5530 comes in two models, a standard clamshell and a 2-in-1 version that converts into a tablet. The 2-in-1 option is a little more interesting because it takes the XPS 15 2-in-1 and tweaks it with some enhancements for professional graphics users. Specifically, it swaps the hybrid Intel processor with onboard AMD Radeon RX Vega M graphics for integrated Radeon Pro WX Vega M GL graphics. This marks the first time we've seen AMD's enterprise GPU make an appearance in an integrated Intel chip. It can be configured with up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 2 TB of NVMe SSD storage. And, like the clamshell model, it features a 15.6-inch 4K Infinity Edge display with 100% Adobe RGB coverage, and the added bonus of optional pen support, due to its 2-in-1 nature. Those changes aside, you're still looking at a very similar device to the XPS 15 2-in-1 that consumers have already seen from Dell, right down to the same maglev keyboard. As for the regular Precision 5530, it's almost identical to the recently updated XPS 15 9570 that the company announced earlier this year. Like the XPS 15 9570, the Precision 5530 offers Intel's 8th generation core chips. But, true to its enterprise-focused nature, it can also be configured with Xeon CPU instead. There's also the choice of NVIDIA's Quadro P2000 discrete graphics, instead of the GeForce chips from the consumer model. The regular Precision 5530 starts $1,449. And it will be available on May 22nd. The Precision 5530 2-in-1 has no pricing details and only a vague July-August 2018 release timeframe.